Namaste and welcome back, dear viewer. I'm Neena, your guide through the intricate world of commodities. Today, on the 12th of April 2024, we delve into the latest updates and advanced analysis on the US soybean market. So, let's dive right in. US soybean net sales for the week ending March 28 in the 2023-2024 marketing year stood at an impressive 305,300 metric tons. That's a significant uptick of 57% compared to the previous week. Now, let's take a closer look at the destinations of these soybean exports. Mexico leads the charge with a substantial purchase of 172,600 metric tons. Egypt follows suit with 85,200 metric tons, including a significant switch from unknown destinations. China, a key player in the global soybean market, also made notable purchases totaling 69,300 metric tons. Meanwhile, Japan, Indonesia, and other countries contributed to this surge in exports, albeit with some minor reductions. Despite these robust sales figures, exports saw a slight dip of 8% from the previous week, totaling 503,400 metric tons. However, it's essential to note that China remained the primary destination, accounting for a significant portion of these exports. Looking ahead, exports for own account in the 2023-2024 marketing year show a promising outlook. With an outstanding balance of 3,300 metric tons, countries like Canada, Taiwan, Bangladesh, and Malaysia are poised to further contribute to the soybean trade. Shifting our focus to soybean cake and meal, net sales for the current marketing year totaled 187,900 metric tons. While this represents a slight decrease from the previous week, key markets such as Tunisia, Costa Rica, and Canada continue to drive demand. Interestingly, net sales for the upcoming 2024-2025 marketing year also show promise, despite some reductions. With 53,400 metric tons reported for unknown destinations, there's anticipation for further developments in this segment. In terms of exports, a total of 280,500 metric tons were recorded, with countries like Vietnam, Mexico, and Ecuador emerging as prominent destinations. Although this represents a slight decrease from previous weeks, the market remains dynamic and resilient. Lastly, let's turn our attention to soybean oil. Net sales for the current marketing year saw a notable increase of 39%, driven primarily by demand from Mexico. However, exports witnessed a significant decline, totaling just 1,100 metric tons. Despite this, Mexico remained the primary destination for soybean oil shipments. And there you have it, folks. A comprehensive overview of the latest developments in the US soybean market. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to navigating the world of commodities. Until next time, stay informed and stay ahead. This is Neena signing off for Ajayasthro Maniguru. Shubh Ratri.